Hello, Anthony D'Aquino here, coming at you with another modular minute from the Patterson factory. So another question we get a lot of is about the exterior walls. Can they be stucco? Do we do stucco? Yes and no. So no, in the sense that we will not do stucco in the factory. Stucco will be done on site. Yes, in the sense that we could prep for the stucco in the factory, ship it on site, prep it, have the chicken wire and everything set up to where on site you have a crew that would then stucco the walls and finish it there. So yes and no. We could do stucco, we can't do stucco. We can set it up that way and prep it to where the stucco is done on site. And you will learn more about on-site work in future modular minutes. So please stay tuned. Also, feel free to leave a comment with a question that you want to be featured in our modular minutes. Bye-bye.